Okay. Okay, we're at the Trace Rios event. Down here, I don't know if this is considered Avondale or part of Avondale. Trace Rios Nature Festival. And this is in the morning before everyone opens up. We have a food vendor that ends up over here. And this is a number of the vendors out here. This person here from the rescue organization comes in with some birds that they've rescued. A lot of park organizations, Phoenix Parks, Maricopa. We've got, I don't know, I guess that's, is that REI? They're doing the paddle boats or whatever you call them. And that's free. And we have sunglasses and hats over here. We got some artsy crafty stuff there. Bird walks over here from the Audubon Society. And then we have some shoot your bow and arrows over there. Oh, there goes the egret. And that's it.